It is so incredible to see people's stories change. I'll tell you, from the thousands of people that I've worked with over the decade plus of doing this work, and talking with other people in this industry who've been there not only decades, but even some in just a few months, are changing people's lives. It is so interesting. And yet I always return back to this concept of, in this hypnotism or NLP or change work industry, it is always self-directed. The guide, the moderator, the facilitator, the expert, when they do their best job, they are not leading you, nor are they technically guiding you. Instead, they are just observing you and helping you with your own story to make your own change. And this means that you can do this on your own. Of course, there are so many qualified ambassadors and agents through modern day hypnosis that you can find a perfect fit if you do want that support, that moderator, that leader, that guide. But I just want to encourage you to recognize that you are not dependent on anything outside of yourself. It is all within yourself, and your subconscious and your mind and your beliefs and your awareness and your heart has so much power to make this change.